most craveable version of your favorite fried foods without the grease or the guilt. Air fry mode uses a broil element, a heated convection fan, and venting on both sides of the microwave for even heat distribution and air circulation, creating a fully fried texture without using oil. And with 9 presets to choose from, you can cook fresh and frozen foods to perfection while saving time and effort.
Not all microwaves are created equal. Panasonic technology is the pinnacle of microwave innovation. To start, our microwaves feature a Genius sensor. The Genius sensor takes the guesswork out of microwaving, detecting the moisture level in your food, and then defrosting, reheating, and cooking to perfection. Basics like potatoes, popcorn, and beverages come out exactly the way you want them. And our auto-cook menus make cooking fresh and frozen vegetables, entrees, and snacks fast and easy. But the Genius sensor is only the beginning. To produce the healthiest, most delicious results in your microwave, Panasonic developed our patented cyclonic inverter technology. Traditional microwaves use only high power and don't have true low-power cooking. Instead, they pulse on and off of high power, leading to inconsistent results, hot and cold spots, undercooked centers, and liquid splatters. Panasonic's patented cyclonic inverter technology puts an end to all of that frustration. With a steady stream of cooking power at all power levels, foods come out evenly cooked every time. The advanced cyclonic wave pattern lets you expect consistent, even results across everything from a cup of coffee to a full family dinner. Our spacious microwaves mean you no longer need to wait in line for your turn. And our easy clean interiors make cleanup quick and convenient. Features like Keep Warm, Turbo Defrost, and Child Lock are designed for convenience and ease for both everyday and entertaining. Powerful, innovative, cyclonic inverter technology for smart, fast, beautiful appliances that are built to last.